Hi everyone! Instead of a sweet carrot roll cake, let's make a savory carrot roll to eat as a snack or as an appetizer. First, let's boil carrots for the cake. We'll put them in a big pot and on the stove and add enough water to cover the carrots. 1 teaspoon of salt and leave the carrots to cook till they're soft. It takes about half an hour for me and the carrots are soft. Let's take the carrots out of water and leave to cool till they're fine to touch without burning fingers. While we wait for the carrots to cool, let's grease a piece of parchment paper, the size of the baking tray, with a bit of cooking oil. And put it aside for now. The carrots have cooled, let's peel all of them. And set the oven to heat to 180 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I will grate the carrots on the fine grating side of the grater, as I want them to mesh together and the carrot pieces not to be visible. Let's add a little bit of salt and ground pepper to the carrots. I am also adding a teaspoon of turmeric for the color, flavor, and smell. If you don't want to, you can skip it. And let's separate 3 eggs, adding egg yolks in the bowl with the carrots and the egg whites in a separate clean bowl. Let's mix the carrot batter well. Make sure there are no eggshell pieces in the egg whites. I need to remove one. And beat the egg whites till they are stiff. The egg whites are ready. Let's gradually fold them in the rest of the batter. I mix till there are no big egg white lumps left in the batter. Small ones are fine. Let's pour the ready batter in the baking tray and level it, shaping into a rectangle. Don't spread it very thin. And it goes in the oven to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. The top looks set and is soft when touched, but not wet. Let's remove the carrot sponge from the oven and pull it on a clean towel. I broke it a little while pulling it like this. It's better to lift and tilt the tray to slide the sponge off without pulling it over the side of the baking tray. And let's roll it from the narrower end together with the parchment paper while it's hot. Let's cover it with a towel and leave to cool a little till it's fine to touch. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the filling. Let's mix together cream cheese with mayonnaise, 1 crushed garlic clove, salt, and ground pepper. The filling needs to be thick but spreadable. I adjust it by adding more or less mayonnaise. Adjust the amount of salt and pepper to your taste. If you will use salty cheese, you might skip adding salt at all. And let's mix in chopped parsley. I'm using about a handful. The filling is ready. Taste it to see if you want to adjust any of the ingredients. After about 15 minutes, the carrot roll has cooled a little. Let's unroll it carefully. And spread the filling, leaving a few centimeters at the end without the filling. The sponge is moist and fragile, so we need to be gentle with it while spreading the filling and rolling. On top of the cream cheese filling, let's spread the grated cheese. I use a mix of yellow and white cheddar cheese, but you can use some other cheese which you like. And let's roll our carrot roulade with the filling inside, separating it from the parchment paper. Now I will roll the cake in the same parchment paper, put on a cutting board and in the fridge for at least a few hours till it sets and holds together. Ideally, leave the roll in the fridge overnight. Now I'm cutting it after waiting for 4 hours. It holds together but is still a little soft. And enjoy the savory carrot roll.